Good morning. Today I am going to discuss about solid fuel. Example, coal. Coal is a primary fossil fuel available in the earth crust. For coal is an important primary solid fuel that has been formed as a result of alteration of vegetable matter under some favorable condition. Then coalification or metamorphism of coal. The process of conversion of vegetable matters into anthracite, that means coal, is called coalification or metamorphism of coal. So first stage wood, then second stage peat, then lignite, then bituminous coal, then anthracite. This is the conversion of wood into anthracite. This process is known as coalification or metamorphism of coal. The progressive transformation of wood to anthracite results in decrease in moisture content, volatile content, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur content, increase in carbon content, hardness and calorific value. The next analysis of the coal. Actually, in order to assess the quality of the air, the following two types of analysis are made. First one is proximate analysis, another one is ultimate analysis. Proximate analysis means it involves the determination of percentage of moisture content, volatile content, ash content, fixed carbon in coal. These are the important parameters to analyze the quality of the coal. Then second one is ultimate analysis. Ultimate analysis involves the determination of the percentage of the carbon, hydrogen content, sulfur content, nitrogen content, ash content, oxygen content. In this proximate and ultimate analysis, the two analyses are used to analyze the quality of the coal. Proximate analysis only analyze the physical state, physical parameters, physical properties of the coal, but in the case of the ultimate analysis is used to find out the chemical parameters of the coal. The next process is carbonization. Carbonization means converting coal into coke. Initially, coal is available in the earth crust. The initial form is wood converted into peat, lignite, anthracite, then coal. Then coal is converted into coke. This process is known as carbonization process. Coal is the primary fuel, coke is the secondary fuel because coke is derived from the primary fuel. This process is known as carbonization. In this carbonization process, two categories of the coals are available. First one is caking coals and coking coals. Second one. First one, caking coals. What is meant by caking coals? When coals are heated strongly, the mass becomes soft plastic and fuses to give a coherent mass. Such type of coal are called caking coals. But if the mass so produced is hard, porous and strong, then the coals are called coking coals. So coking coals possess a lower volatile matter and are used for the manufacture of metallurgical coke. So for the manufacturing of metallurgical coke, we are using coking coals. Thus all coking coals are caking coals, but all caking coals are not a coking coals. Then types of carbonization process. Carbonization means converting coal into coke. Okay. Then based on the temperature, carbonization can be classified into two categories. One is low temperature carbonization, another one is high temperature carbonization. Low temperature carbonization carried out at the temperature in the range of 500 to 700 degrees Celsius, but in the high temperature carbonization process is carried out under the condition of 900 to 1300 degrees Celsius. Then properties of LTC and HTC, low temperature carbonization and high temperature carbonization. First property is temperature. In the low temperature carbonization value is 500 to 700, HT is 900 to 1300 degrees Celsius. The nature of the coke formed, LTC process soft coke is formed, but in the case of the HTC hard coke is formed. Yield LTC 75 to 85% coke is formed, but in the case of the HTC 65 to 75% of the coke is formed. Percentage of volatile matter is 5 to 15% in LTC, but in the case of the HTC 1 to 3% of the volatile matter is formed. Yield of gaseous products 130 to 150 meter cube in LTC, but in the case of the HTC 300 to 390. Then mechanical strength of coke, less strength in LTC, strong in HTC. Then last one is calorific value is low in LTC but high in HTC. Use of the coke obtained domestic purpose, in the case of the HTC metallurgical purpose. Thank you.